of the Microsoft Surface Pro 4. By the time you guys watch this, I'll already have used this for about 2.5 weeks. So, hi, future John. I have no idea what model we have in here, what specs this are. This was given to us from Microsoft at their launch event for the Surface Pro 4 and the Surface Book and the debut of the two Lumias. So we can learn together what specs are in here. What I can tell you that it's going to be in the price point from either $899 to $2,700, because that's the lower end to the very high end of the Surface Pro line. I've been a huge fan of the Surface line, and the Surface Pro line especially, for a while. I use the Surface Pro 3 almost every day at home. Do work when I'm sitting on the couch or just playing with my son, so I'm really excited to see what this guy can do. So I've jibber-jabbered a while. Let's go ahead and open it up. And as a side note, we also have the Surface Pro 4 type cover. This is not the one that has a fingerprint sensor. That's another model for about $30 more. This is going to set you back $129. So we'll unbox this guy afterwards and take a look. All right, so I don't have to cut anything. This has a little handy pull tab, so I am going to pull said tabs. I have one tab pulled. You can count along with me. You can tell I'm the father of a toddler. I'm like, count with me. Let's also do our alphabet while we unbox this. All right, we got that slid off. Oh, I got another pull tab. Ha, ha, ha. All right. And there we have the Surface Pro 4. It's still magnesium, but now it is thinner, lighter, faster. That is, wow, that is really thin. Push it off to the side real fast. So what we're going to have inside of the box. We've got the new Surface Pen that you put a battery in and it lasts for a year, they said. And it's unreasonable because you got to replace ink. So a lot of touch points, removable tips, and all the rest of the stuff they either loved or just didn't use with the original Surface Pen. But if you're a designer, maybe you're really excited about this. Also now a new magnetic part on the tablet somewhere where this guy will just stick to. Right there, and it'll just stick, and then probably inevitably fall off soon after. Let's push all this stuff off to the side again. And I assume in here we've got a power brick. Let's see what this looks like. We have, it's a power brick. It's a brick for power. Looks pretty similar to the last one, but you do have a built-in inline USB port and 2 prongs in, and then the proprietary Surface port looks exactly the same as the last gens. So there's all that business. Let's push all this off to the side. Let's take a look at the Surface Pro 4, and we can try to learn together what specs we have on here, because I don't know. All right, hello Surface Pro 4. Look at that. It's got a little Windows Hello smiley face there to let me know that's where it is. And there's a camera, microphone, power speaker, USB 3.0, power port, and display port. Let's go ahead and pull this off. This is really quite thin. Just so you guys can see how thin this is versus the Surface Pro 3, here you go. It's thinner. So again, still clad in aluminum, still with the hinge that you can do multiple points. So you're not locked to one or two, you can kind of go all the way out, pretty close to flat depending on what angle you are at. So again, running Windows 10, that same magnesium casing that the previous generations had. It's got what Microsoft is calling Pixel Sense technology, which means there's a lot of pixels and very thin borders. It's a 12.31 inch screen with a resolution of 2763 by 1824. And it weighs a diminutive 1.73 pounds. And before I move on to the next thing, and you guys yell at me that I didn't mention kilograms, 786 of them. Powering this guy, you've got a ton of different options. All 6th gen Intel business, either the Core M3, i5, or M7. You can configure this guy up to different gigs of RAM, 4, 8, or 16, all the way up to a terabyte too, of solid state storage. It starts at 128 and then goes to that 1. And again, pricing is going to be about $900 to about $2,700. So if we walk around the tablet, we've got our power button at the top, volume up and down. There you've got your hello cameras, some ambient sensors, and then your actual front-facing camera. Right-hand side, a full-size USB 3.0 port. There's your display. It's the power port as well. Also, there's a ton of accessories you can use to plug this in to get different configurations if you need HDMI or whatever you want to use to plug into your monitor. And then it just stands up. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Hello there, Surface Pro 4. Mind if I buy? Okay. Sorry. Bad jokes. What do you guys want from me? That's what you expect with my videos. The jokes are going to be bad. While that guy is booting up, let's take a look at the type cover. If you're not familiar with the type cover, it is a cover for your tablet. that you can type on. This is a completely redesigned type cover. If memory serves me correctly, you can also use this with the Surface Pro 3. And you can see what this looks like. It's got a soft touch microfiber feel on the back, really thin. It's got a glass trackpad now, I believe, with 5-point multi-touch. It's larger. The keys look different than last generation. They've got a new mechanism below, and you get more of a natural keyboard feel. To connect it, it just kind of connects itself via magnets, and you can push this up. Now you've got that angle for typing. So let's go ahead and set the sucker up, and I'll come back when it's all done. Also worth noting, the keyboard on the type cover is backlit, so if you're using this in a dark setting, you can still type and not have to rely on the light from your screen. So hey, there's that. All right, so we got this guy all set up. Let's see what kind of computer it is and what it's packing. We'll jump into settings, we'll go to system, jump down to about, and this computer is Intel Core i5, clocked at 2.4 gigahertz. We've got 8 gigs of RAM installed and 64-bit x64 LSF you'd expect. So it's the i5 model with 8 gigs of RAM. It's kind of right in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and use this for the next couple weeks, and by the time this video goes up, I'll already have used it, already know how it performed and how it works. So I can't even say anything you guys want to see, leave it in the comments. I'm going to have to just imagine what you guys can say, and most of them probably not appropriate. Until next, this has been an unboxing and first look at the latest Surface Pro, the Surface Pro This Many. I'll see you guys next video.